Hi, this is Mick Elliott. I'm with James Mackey, Technical Content Creator for Pico Technology. New on the stand at the Engineering Design Show is pyPicoSDK. James,
Hello.
talk us through it.
Thank you. So this is the new pyPicoSDK. So it's really built into the new Python, sort of simple to build, really easy to set up, and it's meant to make any kind of engineer be able to use our Picoscope and our SDK super quickly. So we have so many engineers who are familiar with Python, but not necessarily developers. So the idea of this is to be an easy approach. We have a ton of examples all on our GitHub. So the engineer will just be able to grab an example, tailor it to their needs, and then build a super simple application where they can extract data from their test, their PCB, send it to someone, save the data, or process the data afterwards. Yeah, so that's super simple to use.
Okay, so I guess you're saving engineers time with this, yeah?
That's it, yeah. So previously before, we had C drivers that you were able to use, and these drivers were a bit complicated for new users, for example, the automated test engineers. And then this is to save time. You know, the actual code to do a simple block capture is only 38 lines long, and we have a ton of comments in there as well. So you can really make the capture super simple, super quick to use, and the examples help a lot as well.
Is Python already being used out there, or does this open the path, an easier path to Python?
Yep, so Python seems to be what a lot of our test engineers are using at the moment. So in the automated test sort of sector, Python is becoming extremely popular. So people are moving from like LabVIEW or even C, and they're starting to use Python because of the modularity of it. You know, there's so many libraries built into Python that you can use, you can just grab, and it's very variable. So you can take that data, you can process it into almost anything.
Okay, and you're already seeing customers use this?
Yep, so people have been coming up in EDS and talking to us about Python. We have so many, as I said, so many Python users, and seeing this, they say, that looks really simple. I could probably get that started at home. So it's really great to see, and it's only been released as of early this October. So we're already starting to see a lot of downloads and a lot of people use it, and I hope to see it grow much more in the future.
James Mackey, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Cheers.